Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video. Today I have the special recipe that will surely make your taste buds dance. OHA soup. Guys, this soup tasted super good and delicious. If you really want to learn how to make it, all you need to do is to keep watching and of course, trust the process. Now, let's get started. In a clean pot, go in with your protein. This is beef, biscuit bone precisely. You can use any protein of your choice. This is not just the only protein we're going to be using for this recipe. Yes, I have already cooked ones. Just keep watching. You'll get to see them. If you notice, we added some stockfish. Now we're going in with some salt and some seasoning. Afterwards, we're going to cover it and allow it to steam for some minutes. Now, introducing cocoyam. Guys, here is our cocoyam already boiling. Not done yet. We're going to cover it and continue cooking until done, okay? Now, checking back on our meat after steaming it for some minutes. Let's say 2 minutes. Now, go in with some water. Cover it up with water and we're going to cover it and continue cooking until it is soft and tender. Now, introducing the star ingredients of this recipe, OHA leaves. Guys, for those of you who doesn't know what it looks like, this is OHA leaves, okay? Now, let me show you how to pluck it. Once you pluck it from the stem, make sure you remove the head. Yes, that tiny heads. You may wonder why sometimes your OHA soup comes out a bit bitter. It's because of these hairs like you're seeing. So make sure as you pluck, you remove it, okay? Now, this is how you cut it. Introducing the next leaf, yes. This is uziza leaves. It is called hot leaves in English. So we're going to be making use of it in this recipe, all right? It's going to give it that unique aroma. Yes, if you have the seed, still fine. Now, let me show you a second way you can cut your OHA leaves. Grab the OHA leaves, handful of it, transfer on your chop board and chop it into big chunks, like into big slices, just like this, guys. Maybe 3 or 4 slices, okay? It's fine. Now, guys, let's move on. Here is our cocoyam done. Now, you go ahead and peel it. I've done the peeling, just left this one to show you guys how you peel your cocoyam. Mind you, if you don't want to use cocoyam, you can use palm fruit juice or extract. All right? Okay, guys. Once you're done, transfer in your blender and blend it until it is smooth. No lumps, okay? Lumps shouldn't be found in it. Now, checking back on our protein at this point, guys, it is well cooked. Yes, soft. Now we are introducing the other protein. This is honeycomb and cow leg boneless. Well cooked already, guys. So we've added it and go in with some water, okay? The amount of water you add now determines the quantity of your soup, okay? Now go in with your well-washed dry fish. Cover it and bring to a boil. At this point, guys, go in with your cocoyam paste. The cocoyam here will serve as our thickener, okay? Yes, it will help thicken the soup and give it a good texture. And the amount you use determines on the portion of the soup. All right, guys, now go in with your red oil. Be generous with your red oil, okay? Now, cover and allow it to simmer for a minute or two. And here we are checking. At this point, go in with your ogiri, local seasoning. So I used 2 of this same portion, yes. So feel free to add to your taste. Next is your ground crayfish and your blended peppers. I used 4 Scotch bonnets, very hot. Depends on you also. If you want your soup spicy, increase your peppers. If you do not want, minimize it, all right? So after a few seconds, we are going in with some seasoning and some salt. Now go on and stir it in. Our soup is coming up so well, guys. It is looking good. Now we're going to allow it to simmer for a minute or 2. So this is us checking back after a minute. Now go in with your sliced uziza leaves. It is advisable you go in with the uziza leaves first because it is a bit hard to compare to the OHA leaves. And secondly, as it softens, it's going to release that beautiful aroma. Yes. Now, after a few seconds or a minute, go in with the OHA leaves, guys. Make sure you wash them before putting into your soup. Please, wash it well. After slicing it, you wash it. And while washing it, do not overhandle it, okay? All right, guys. Once you've added it, go on and stir to well combine, guys. This soup, This soup is a must try, guys. And if you wonder or bother how to get the ingredients, all you do is to check out any African store near you. You will find all the ingredients there, okay? And if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. This channel teaches how to make easy, delicious cooking meals, baking, small chores in snacks, and even more. So if it sounds interesting or looks like something you're looking out for, please go ahead and subscribe. Also, remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, okay? All right, guys, if you noticed, we've tested for salt and it is perfect. Just perfect. And at this point, guys, after a minute, you're not going to overcook your vegetables, okay? After you've added your OHA leaves, allow it to simmer for just a minute and you are done. At this point, we're done, guys. Let's take it off the heat. Lovely. This is looking good. A must try. And there you have it, a delicious, tasty, mouth-watering OHA soup is set. Guys, look at that. Look at the goodness. Please give this video a go and let me know how it turns out for you in the comment. Also, help me share this video to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. Thank you, guys. It is time to serve. Please serve with me, as always. Let me seize this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my newest and returning subscribers, the kings and the queens of this amazing, beautiful family. Guys, your girl is super grateful for all your massive love and support. Please keep it up, okay? Thank you so much. Love you all. Okay, guys, still at 8. We're still plating our soup. And we're going to be enjoying it with eba made from gari. Yes, you can as well use any swallow of your choice. It could be poundo, wheat, semo, whichever swallow you have can go with this soup, okay? All right, our soup is set. Guys, just look at this goodness. Oh my, I'm sure you are salivating. You can't tell me anything. I know. Guys, but you know you can do it. Yes, it is pretty simple. Just follow the steps and you're going to having this delicious meal right on your dining table as well. So guys, it is time to enjoy it. It is time to devour it. And I want you to do it with me. All right, let's go. This is looking good. Let's test it and see how it turned out. Guys, this soup is heavenly. It tasted super good. Thank you guys for joining me in creating this delicious meal. If you found it interesting, please go like, share, and subscribe. See ya.